Welcome to my humble abode, or I should say my former humble abode. If you've seen my most recent update video, you know I moved out of my house that I built a couple years ago. So I thought I would do this video just giving you guys a tour and sharing with you what the status is now. Did I keep it? Did I sell it? What's going on? Okay, so here's the living room area. This is what you see when you first walk in. And I just kept it very simple, minimal, and neutral. And I tried to keep it less clutter because it looks cleaner when there's less clutter. It pans over to my kitchen, which you guys have seen before because I have uploaded a kitchen tour. Also, if you recognize it, I used to film in my living room here and the kitchen would be in the backdrop. So you probably will recognize this orientation. But just to catch you guys up, I did move in November. Me and my husband moved into a condo, and we are in a condo until we buy or build our forever home or starter home, I'm not sure. So anyways, I moved out of this house in November. So fast forward to today where I have moved out of the house, but I did still keep my house. If you've been watching me for a little while, then you'll know that I bought this house a couple years ago, and the purpose of buying it was so that it could be a rental property. Now, I did start off putting it on the market for rent, and I had the hardest time getting it rented out at first. So while I was waiting for it to get rented out, I did Airbnb it for a little bit. I only did it for maybe a month total. I actually made really great money from it, but I will not be doing it again because it was a lot of work. If you're interested in doing Airbnb or just want to know more about my experience, I did upload a short detailing my experience as an Airbnb host up here on YouTube, so I will make sure to link that. So after a year of it being on the rental market and not renting out, I started getting really concerned. So I did some research and talked to some people and realized that the way the realtor was advertising it wasn't effective and that there was a different method that needed to be used. So I hired a property management company and they did everything for me. They have a team of realtors on board, so they hired the realtor that was able to ultimately find the tenants to get it rented out. They now manage the property, they take the payments. Anytime anything breaks or the house needs maintenance, they have plumbers and contractors and different people on hand. So I pay a flat fee per month for the property management team to manage everything. And I don't do anything, you guys. I literally sit and wait for the check to come every month. It's beautiful. So I hit my head a little bit and made a few mistakes, but I finally figured out what to do. And now it is currently being rented out on a 13-month lease. I'm very happy about that. I love the tenants that are there. They're really taking care of the property, and it's just been so easy having the property management company on my side. So what you just saw was my beauty room and my office, and then this is the master bedroom. I took the footage before the tenants moved in, so all the furniture you see here is mine, and it is furniture that I used while I lived here. But of course, when the tenants came, I took all the furniture out. I did not rent it with the furniture in. That was another mistake I was making before when I had it listed and it wasn't renting. We did take the smart fridge, which was a nightmare to move. We'll never do that again. We'll just buy a new fridge next time. We did replace it with another refrigerator as well as with another washer and dryer, but the tenants wanted to use their own appliances, so we just left it completely without appliances and they were fine with that. So yeah, this is my little starter home, starter rental property. I hope you guys like it. If you want me to do more content about investing or my experience investing, and of course, if you're looking to buy a house, just click the application link in the description box to get started to work with me. I am currently accepting new clients, and now I can originate nationwide. So everyone who was not in a state that I covered when I worked with my previous company, come holler at your girl. I cover all states excluding Hawaii and California. So hit me up and I'll see you in my next video.